Hey guys, and welcome to Code with Chuck. Today we're going to make a decal in 60 seconds. First thing we're going to do is go to our computer and get an image file. This can be any image file, but this one in particular has a transparent background. We're going to right click it and hit Create Material. In that material, we're going to select the output node. From the output node, we're going to change the material domain to deferred decal. This is going to give you an error. But then we change the blend mode to translucent. This fixes the error. We connect the alpha to opacity so that our decal appears correctly. Then we go into our scene and drag in a decal actor and apply our material to that decal actor. And just like that, we have a decal that we made in under 60 seconds.